Chime makes setting up direct deposit simple and fast. Here's how. Step-by-step guide. Open the Chime app and log in. Go to Settings. Tap the gear icon, Settings, at the top left or right. Find direct deposit info. Select account details or direct deposit. Copy your details. You'll see your unique routing number and account number. Share with employer. Give these details to your employer, payroll provider, or benefits office, Social Security, tax refunds, etc. You can also download and print a direct deposit form from Chime. Optional, early paycheck. Once set up, Chime offers SpotMe an early direct deposit up to 2 days early. Tips: double-check routing and account numbers before submitting. It may take 1-2 pay cycles for your first direct deposit to appear. You can receive up to $10,000 per deposit. Enable notifications for incoming deposits.